Hey team! So I just did a video for my coach group and it seriously looked like I wasn't wearing any clothes. So I changed the angle of the camera so you can see that I am in fact wearing something. Welcome to the PiYo Challenge. I'm so happy to have you guys here. So happy to start this journey with you guys. I have been doing PiYo for about a month now, I guess, and I'm also teaching as well. And this has been just an incredible complement to what I do. I do mostly weight training and interval training, so it's all kind of high intensity stuff and like hard on the body. And PiYo is an amazing sweat, which I'm sure that you've noticed by now, but it really does help with improving your mobility and flexibility. And I'm already finding that I'm not getting injured as easily and I'm not getting stiff as easily as I used to. So in any case, I'm super excited to share this journey with you guys, and I wanted to give you some tips for the challenge group. So number one, post every day. Be in here every day. Even if you had a horrible day and you skipped your workout and you fell off the wagon, just check in and talk to me and let me know what's going on with you. That's what I'm here for. I am never here to judge you. I'm here to support you and be your cheerleader. So I know that all of us can get some amazing results doing this program. I know that for certain. So take advantage of the accountability, take advantage of the support in the group, and just be here every day. Secondly, on Shakeology, I always blend it with ice. Sorry, I lost my train of thought for a second. I always blend it with ice. I always do my chocolate with unsweetened almond milk and a cup of ice and sometimes some almond butter if I'm feeling super ambitious. With my strawberry, I usually just do water and ice, and it's awesome. And I hate the vanilla flavor, so I never drink that one. But some people like it, and you can mix like almond butter in it, or you can put frozen berries or something like that in it. So in any case, the texture for me is really good. I like that smoothie kind of texture. So that's a tip for you. In addition, with Shakeology, you may notice a gentle cleansing effect over your first couple of weeks, and I definitely did notice that. So this is a good thing for your body. Your body is detoxing. So if you do notice that, you can go down to a half scoop of Shakeology to start, and it's a little bit easier on the system. It is gentle, but some people react more to it than others. So you can go down to half a scoop instead of doing the full scoop. And if you tolerate it well, go for the full scoop and get the maximum nutrient density punch that it delivers. So something else that I will really recommend for you guys is to make sure that you're getting a good amount of nutrient and protein bang for your buck when you're eating. It's going to make all the difference in your results and in your energy levels. And one last thing is that sometimes people play the DVDs on a Blu-ray player and it's not updated properly or something like that, and it doesn't work. So I always just play it on a regular DVD player. And if it's not working in your Blu-ray player, you need to update your system. Please don't ask me any more about that because I cannot tell you anything. Technology hates me. So, so you'll have to ask somebody in your life who knows about technology if they're not working for you. If you have any issues at all, feel free to send me a message or post on our team group, and I am happy to answer for you. Looking forward to getting to know you guys.